Hi, I'm Mr. Facebook, and here at Facebook, we prioritize ourselves on keeping our customers' data private at all times. We would never do anything, I mean anything, to break their trust.
Wait, so what about Cambridge Analytica?
Wait, I thought we cut that out of script. Hi, I'm Mr. Facebook, and recently there's been some rumors about Facebook mishandling their customer data. And I just want to clear up all these rumors and say that we would never do such a thing. Actually, if you want to blame someone, it's the government. They have no protocol set for us to follow. So, I'm left just doing my own thing and handling these customers' data as I see fit.
So big companies like Facebook and Google, they really don't have any government regulation on them at all. Like, a lot of people think that the problem is data breaches and stuff. A lot of people think that situations like Cambridge Analytica are some sort of like Russian or Chinese hackers or something, when in reality it's just Facebook not doing any oversight, Cambridge Analytica not doing any oversight, companies like Google with the Play Store, and then for Apple the App Store not having enough oversight. So a lot of it really is a human problem, which means that the regulations in place right now from the FTC aren't really working. So I think the best solution forward, since the government doesn't actually understand the systemic problem with data, is to create a new agency, maybe call it something like the Federal Data Regulation Agency or something, FDRA or whatever, and employ people from the tech sector who aren't necessarily connected to other businesses and things like that, so they can figure out actual solutions for this very, very real problem that the government doesn't really care about.
So right now there's 49 different state laws regarding data privacy and what companies can use them for. Obviously 49 different states having their own different laws doesn't really help, considering that data crosses borders digitally all the time. So we think it should be a federal problem. We think that the federal government should institute a stricter set of standards that controls the entire nation, so that this new agency of ours can actually have something to work with and actually solve the problems based on a set of regulations. So a lot of people are going to ask them, where does the money come from? We would say that, first of all, data companies aren't necessarily being taxed enough because they're just going through corporate tax loopholes. So close those, get the data, and the current fines that we place on data breaches and data mishandling, use those fines to help the agency, so that every time you have an increase or a jump in the number of data breaches, you have an increase in the effectiveness of the regulatory body, so that things work out smoothly and they can match their strength to match the corporate fails.
So yesterday I read Facebook's terms of service and I still didn't get anything from it. I have no clue what they can do with my data.
Hey, you're Max Mirminsky, right?
Yeah.
Weren't you born on October 27th, 2001 or something?
No wait, how do you know this?
Yeah, it's a funny thing. I actually sold your data yesterday.
To who?
That's actually private. I wouldn't like to disclose that information.